Skill Bite here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a link out of a really stubborn watch band. So I have tried everything to get these out of this. It's an Anne Klein, just no luck at all. Well, for less than $10, got this little tool on Amazon. There's a link in the description to what I'm using, and I was really surprised. Look at that, popped it out. I mean, that's like I said, I tapped on it, did all the stuff that I normally do to do these things, and it just wouldn't come out. But it's coming out that easy with this thing, and it's less than 10 bucks. Do yourself a favor. If you ever need to remove links on these watches, just buy the sneaking tool. All right. And I almost forgot this too. I wasn't planning on doing a video of this, but there's an arrow. The arrow will point to the direction in which you need to push the pin out. Put them back in. You set them like so in here. These are just little cotter pins. And you want to get it started like that. Center it. There's a hole in there. Center it over the hole. Now there's a punch that you could use. I hope you can see that. And it is. Put it in. Yeah. Okay. I've been doing it the hard way all these years. That's all there is to it. And this particular one, you know, comes with extra pieces, extra punches, because they can get broke pretty easy. And polishing cloth. So, yeah. Oh, and it does have good instructions. So, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.